Imagine this. You're stranded in the wilderness with no electricity, no hospitals, and no medicines. Can you survive? Picture being out there, just you and the elements, where your survival relies solely on your wits and resourcefulness. It's a chilling thought, isn't it? In such extreme conditions, the comforts and conveniences we take for granted, like a warm bed or a refrigerator full of food, are suddenly out of reach. You're faced with the harsh realities of the wild, where finding shelter, food, and clean water become your top priorities. You have to navigate without GPS, treat injuries without a first aid kit, and build a fire without a lighter. Though daunting, being prepared for such situations can turn the tide in your favor. Today, we're going to explore 5 survival tips that could save your life in such a scenario. Our first survival tip: master the art of fire making. In the face of extreme conditions, fire is your lifeline. It provides warmth, fends off predators, and allows for food preparation. Additionally, a well-made fire can be a beacon, signaling your location to potential rescuers. Various methods exist to create fire, but we'll focus on those that don't rely on modern tools. Flint and steel, bow drills, or even a simple lens can coax a spark into a flame. Remember, practice makes perfect. Master fire making before you need it. Our second survival tip: learn how to purify water. In extreme conditions, access to clean, drinkable water is crucial. Waterborne diseases can quickly turn a survival situation into a life-threatening ordeal. Boiling is the most common method of purification. Heat your water to a rolling boil for at least 1 full minute to kill most bacteria and parasites. Additionally, solar disinfection, exposing clear plastic bottles of water to the sun for several hours, can also be effective. Water is life. Ensure you know how to make it safe to drink. Our third survival tip: understand food foraging. Food is a basic necessity, and nature can provide it in abundance if you know where to look. From nutritious berries to protein-rich insects, the wild is teeming with sustenance. However, not all that glitters is gold. Some plants and insects can be harmful or even deadly. It's crucial to recognize what's edible and what's not. Knowledge is power. Learn about local flora and fauna before venturing into the wild. Our fourth survival tip: grasp the basics of first aid. In the absence of hospitals and medicines, your knowledge can be your best tool. Understanding procedures like cardiopulmonary resuscitation or CPR can save a life during a cardiac or breathing emergency. Similarly, knowing how to dress a wound properly can prevent infection and speed up recovery. Even the simplest skills like recognizing signs of shock can prove invaluable. Remember, in extreme conditions, first aid skills are crucial. They can make the difference between life and death. Our fifth and final survival tip: develop navigation skills. Understanding your bearings in the wild is crucial. The sun, the stars, and even trees can serve as your compass. By learning to read nature's signs, you can find your way through any wilderness. But remember, these skills aren't gained overnight. Practice makes perfect. So start learning now and arm yourself with one of the most valuable survival tools: the ability to navigate. Being lost can be deadly. Learn to navigate and stay safe. Survival in extreme conditions is a challenge, but with the right skills, it's a challenge you can overcome. The mastery of fire making, water purification, food foraging, basic first aid, and navigation skills can make the difference between life and death. Preparation and knowledge are your best allies when the grid goes down. For more in-depth information on survival skills, click on the link in the description to access The Home Doctor, a comprehensive guide to basic care in extreme situations.